Good morning, students. Today we will write question answers and exercise of lesson number 5 from life skill. Chapter name is The Stone Soup. Question number 1. Who was passing by the village? Students, answer is the traveler was passing by the village. Question number 2. Why were the villagers not hospitable to strangers? Answer is the villagers not hospitable to the strangers because the village was going through hard time. It had not rained well that year and crop was not good. Question number 3, students. What difference had come in the attitude of the villagers? Answer is there were a change in the attitude of villagers. They were not warm or hospitable to strangers. Question number 4. How did the traveler fend for himself? Answer number 4. The traveler decided to cook his own stone magical soup. Question number 5. Describe the way traveler prepared the soup. Answer is traveler prepared soup in the way he proceeded to light a fire filled pot with water. He made a big to do about taking a knife, a soup ladle, and polished stone, whistling all the while. Now, question number 6, students. Question number 6 is why did the villagers have so much fun after a long time? Students, villagers had so much fun after a long time because the waiting crowd sat down, exchanged pleasantries, and even played music. Question number 7, students. Who ate the soup and bread? Villagers ate the soup and bread. Question number 8. What was the traveler advised to the villagers? Travelers advised the villagers that everyone pitched in a little something, a wondrous thing will come out of such an undertaking. Everyone should act like team member, like team members, and work with team spirit. Yes, I am repeating again, students, this answer. Traveler advised the villagers that everyone pitched in a little something, a wondrous thing will come out of such an undertaking. Everyone should act like team members and work with team spirit. Now, question exercises of this lesson. First exercise, fill in the blanks. Students, the villagers were fearing the onset of, we can fill here, famine. Second, the people of the village were not hospitable to the, answer is stranger. Third, the traveler had a magical, answer is stone. Fourth, he cooked a delicious soup. We can fill. Some villagers brought a few loaves of bread. True, false, students. The village was going through hard time. This is true. Question number 2, students. The people were not excited to taste the soup. False. The traveler was not very hungry. false. The stranger was passing through a city. False. Every villagers contributed. Every villagers contributed some ingredients in making the soup. Yes, true. Match the following. The stranger had magical stone. The village thanked traveler, not travelers. The the older lady, potato, delicious meal, bread and soup. Traveler was making stone soup. Now, last exercise, take the correct option. Students, it had not rained well that year and dash was not good. In the dash, we can fill crop. Crop is right answer. The villagers acted like team members and worked with team spirit. Who brought the loaves of bread? Villagers is right answer. Fourth, the villagers thanked traveler for word of wisdom is right answer. And fifth, people offered all kinds of stuff from their dash. We can fill a pantry. Students, question answers and fill in the blanks and all types of exercises are completed of this lesson. Close.